Hey cutie. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Today we are going to be talking about my December empties and purchases, what I refer to as my trash it and cash it. And I'm really excited. I did make a couple purchases throughout the course of December. Most of them were very mindful purchases. So I made a purchase from Ulta. We have to talk about the stuff that I bought on Black Friday from Fantasy Cosmetica. And then I made one impulse purchase that's in this box, which again isn't makeup. So I'm actually really excited. I bought a little bit of makeup, but it was in November. So December I bought zero makeup. I'm very excited about that. That's not the norm. Normally I purchase something for myself for Christmas. It's usually makeup of some sort, and I'm very happy that I didn't do that this year. Let's just go in order of what I purchased first to what I purchased last. On Black Friday, Fantasy Cosmetica was running a pretty great Black Friday sale, if I remember. I don't remember exactly what it was. Maybe I'll post it, maybe I won't, because you can't get the sale anymore. I did end up purchasing a couple more of these Warlock lip oils. I really enjoy these, and I'm glad that I discovered through PR, because I am on Fantasy Cosmetica's PR list. I'm happy that I discovered I liked these in PR, and then I ended up purchasing more. So I think I have the full collection. I bought Fiend, which is the red. I'm kind of annoyed. Why did I not wear this at Christmas? I have Ancient One, which is like the deep dark purple. This one is so cool. I've worn this one time before, so this is really pretty. You cannot tell that it's purple, but it is purple in there. And then I bought Demon, which is the black with sparkles inside of it. Maybe we should just put this one on. Why not? Why not, you know? It's not like it doesn't tint the lips black or anything like that, but it does offer like a nice different color to the lips, I guess. It does deepen up the lip color, but not in a way that looks like really outlandish or anything like that. I like the formula, and I figured why not bring a few more into my collection. We are going to be trying to pan lip products next year, lip glosses. If you missed it, I did post my pan to plan already, and it had like 4, I think, lip products in it in some capacity. So we're going to be trying to focus on some lip products, getting some old things out of the collection next year. That was the only purchase that I made during Black Friday, during November, and I'm very proud that I did limit my makeup purchasing to just 3 items that I, 1, got on a discount, and 2, I used my coupon code with it. So like I got an extra little chunk off, which was great. Then after the Fantasy Cosmetica order, it took up until like December 15th. When did I actually place this order? December 16th. I was close to it. So December 16th, I did purchase from Ulta. I wanted to grab a gift for Josh's grandma. I don't know if she watches my videos, but I ended up purchasing for her. I wanted to treat myself to a couple things, which it really wasn't that much, but it was just like a couple things that I'm like, you know, I could use this, and I can see myself actually using this. The first thing is kind of a weird one. I did buy one of these Love scrubs, and it looks like a cabinet liner, like something to like non-slip dishes in the cabinet, in my opinion. But this thing is so scrubby. If you struggle and want like a super exfoliating body exfoliator that maybe like sugar scrubs don't cut, she's so scrubby, guys. I've used this 2 times, and my body feels so soft after I've used this. So I'm really happy that I did end up purchasing this. This was like a total whim purchase. Something I bought because I finished up a product similar, and I wanted something less expensive to put back into its place. I did purchase the caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches from Good Molecules. They look like this guy, though. They come in that little package. Something I didn't realize is they come with a little like spoon thing to get the product out, which I thought is so cute. I was using the Beauty Bio eye patches, and these do just the same thing to me. They are very refreshing on the under eye. Only have 2 more products from this Ulta purchase that were for me. I bought a fragrance oil. I really liked the vanilla one, so I ended up purchasing the Nemat Amber fragrance oil. This one isn't nearly as rich of a scent. It's not as strong of a scent right off the rip. Man, did the balance just go crazy? So this isn't the most pungent scent. It's not like, it doesn't have as much scent throw as the vanilla. I'm trying to grab it right now. The vanilla one here has such an incredible lasting power. I smell it almost all day long. I'll like get a whiff of like cupcakes. So I thought maybe the amber one would be like a similar kind of experience. I really like amber. It smells like a warm hug to me in like for this time of year. Just like, it smells like your grandparent just coming in and just giving you a hug. Maybe my grandma always smelled like amber and that's why I associate this with that. But I really like the way amber smells. This one is just a little bit lighter than what I was hoping it would be. So yeah, amber oil, not the most pungent. I don't know if I would repurchase that one. I would repurchase the vanilla one. Then something I'm very happy that I brought into my collection. I found out I liked these. I bought a little gift set of like travel size versions and I fell in love with this product and I wanted to get as big of a bottle as I possibly could. So I did. And this is the Kopari. This is the Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. My skin is so dry all the time. Like my legs are constantly dry. I wear a lot of leggings and skinny jeans and I think that dries out the skin. This thing has been such an incredible product to just like slather on my legs. I put my rose hip seed oil and then I put this on top of it and it really does lock in the moisture in my opinion. I really, really, really want the guava scented one. I think I might be purchasing that for myself as like a little gift to myself for just like being good this year. I think I'm going to buy the guava one as well because I really like the guava scent is incredible. This one is really, really nice. I like how warm coconut this is. To me, it's not like a in-your-face kind of coconut scent, but it does have a coconut. It's like a warm coconut. It just smells really, really good. So I'm really happy that, man, this thing is enormous. My last purchase that I made was in this guy. And I always like have my nail polishes listed in the description box below if you guys are ever curious what's on my nails. However, the brand that I really like the gel polishes of, they're discontinuing their gel polishes. So I went on there just because I was kind of looking in my gel polishes. I'm almost done with my red polish, actually. Like, I'm almost done with her. And I kind of wanted to peruse their website. Oh my gosh, they sent a sticker. Oh, I have no idea. They never sent a sticker before with their orders. So I kind of just perused the gel polishes and looked at what I really wanted to bring into my collection, and I just went crazy. I think they were like $4, honestly. I can't remember, and it's not on my little pack slip. So it's kind of just going to be like we're going to experience the colors together. So this is Dimension Nails. They are a cruelty-free Black-owned brand. I really, 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 really like their gel polishes, and I'm quite sad that they are discontinuing them. What are you? Brown Pelican, which is just a brown. They don't have the names anywhere other than in them, so it's kind of like I get to guess what they are. I bought Conserve Biodiversity, which is like a light kind of yellow. This guy is Yellow Baboon, which is a very pale yellow kind of shade. Then that guy, which is Jackrabbit, I think that's a brown too. Yeah, that's a cooler toned brown. Then Brown Pelican. Mud Skipper, another brown, a little lighter. This was kind of a light, like more nudie kind of shade. Has a little bit of shimmer in there. You're not going to be able to see that in this lighting. And it's before 7:30 when I'm filming. The sun hasn't come up yet. I'm using my ring light and it's just not going to have good lighting. Vegan Options, which is a green. It's a cooler toned green than the one I'm wearing, as you can tell. The one on my finger is called Plants Have Protein. This guy, Guard Crab, is that what you are? Guard Crab. Ooh, it's like a nice pinky, orangey kind of creamsicle kind of shade. Then Blue Ringed Octopus, a blue, if you can imagine that. Then I got Bushtail Possum, which is a really light yellow. Did I get 3 yellowy kind of shades? The Whitetail Possum is like an off-white kind of shade. I got Did I need to get like 3 yellows? No, but here we are. It's fine. I got 3 brownie kind of shades. I got some neutrals, which I got 2 neutrals, which are Mud Skipper and Guard Crab. They're kind of like the nudie. I think Mud Skipper is going to be a bit more sheer than the other browns. I got the 3 yellows, and I got 2, like a warm toned brown and a cool toned brown to wear. Figured these are going to be better for like fall and autumn. So, but while they were kind of on a discount, I wanted to snatch them. And then these are going to be really, really cute for spring, summer. I do like to mix nail polishes together. Even gel polishes, I like to mix them and cocktail them into different shades to like make my collection even more versatile. But yeah, so I bought, how many was that? 10? 2, 4. I bought 9? What a weird number. We can talk trash, y'all. I'm excited. I finished a couple things this month. Not a ton, but I did finish a couple things. And I'm always excited to talk to you guys about my trash. So first, I'm just going to talk about these couple boring things first because they're so tiny. I did finish 2 little fragrance test samplers. These are both replica fragrances. I had Lazy Sunday Morning, which smelled like soap. This smelled so clean, so soapy, so like just fresh. And then I finished By the Fireplace. Smoky, woody, not my favorite. I'd much rather smell like Lazy Sunday Morning personally. But even that was a little bit too soapy for my everyday liking. I like to wear this with like a sweeter fragrance or something a little bit more grounded. And then the woody ones, I just don't like woody scents. I don't like them. I'm ending up decluttering or finishing this guy. This is just now kind of irritating my eyes. I feel little like fleckies get in my eyes. This is the Tarte Tubing Mascara. I don't know if I would repurchase the smaller size. I think that this one, I flew through it and it only lasted me really like a month and a half before I feel like it was kind of irritating my eyes. But I have been enjoying a different mascara that I'm trying right now. So I don't know if I would repurchase that. I don't know. That was like my ride or die mascara this year, and I don't know if I would repurchase. You would have seen me talk about this in my deck of panning. I was basically done with it, and I did finish it. So this is the e.l.f. Whoa Glow Sun Touchable Sun SPF Primer thing. This is in the shade Sunbeam. I did finish this. Very happy about this. I could see myself repurchasing this. This is very similar to the Supergoop Glow Screen. Man, I could not think of that. The Supergoop Glow Screen, and just a fraction of the cost. I would definitely repurchase that. This guy here, Effaclar by La Roche-Posay. This is the purifying no soap gel cleanser thing. I use this to clean my sponges. I use this to wash my face in the shower. Now that I'm not on Trenton Owen, I can use something like this again. This was okay. I wouldn't repurchase it though, so there's that. Then something I'm actually kind of sad I finished, because I feel like I finished this so quickly. This was a limited edition release from Fantasy Cosmetica. They launched Woodwick candles. This was the secluded nook version. This smelled like tea leaves, and it was so lovely. This was so lovely. And then the last product I finished this month, this guy here. This is a sugar scrub by Tree Hut. This is the Blue Lagoon Sugar Scrub. This was okay. It was okay. I actually like that mesh exfoliator a little more than the sugar scrubs. I think I'm just going to change my mesh exfoliator every few months instead of buying more sugar scrubs. I have a sugar scrub to get through, but I don't think I'll purchase them after that. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? But that is everything for my Trash It and Cash It. I will have the totals over here on what I used up and then what I purchased in the month, and hopefully the purchases are less than the empties. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.